Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. So, the next thing we want to do once we have our material capture set up, if that's what you've chosen to do, and once you have the biomes generator set up with the biome core data asset, and you have all this other information set up, you can then hit generate PCG. Now, nothing's going to happen yet, and that's to be expected. That's because we need to create the biome data assets. But before we do that, I need to make sure that some very crucial information is passed on to you guys that isn't talked about very frequently, and I haven't seen very much documentation on. Now, there will be times that PCG will act up, and there will be times that things won't clean when it should, or you'll see that the landscape world actor has like 10 of them, but only one's being used. Um, and it just happens sometimes. And it may go away once this is fully released and it's no longer in beta. It may not. We don't know. But what we do know is that they've provided tools for us. So if you go into tools, PCG framework, they've set up everything here for us. So whenever things start acting weird for whatever reason, and this has been going on, whether it's this complex graph or my simple graphs, it just sometimes happens. I tend to cancel all PCG tasks, and then I'll clear the landscape data cache. Then I'll delete all PCG world actors. And if I'm feeling annoyed and I really want to, then I'll also hit these other three. And then once I've done that, I'll come back over here. I'll hit generate PCG. And every single time that'll take care of any of the glitches that are happening. Otherwise, just hitting clean PCG and generate PCG will take care of everything.